Hey everyone, I just want to share some learning resources that I found for learning Cebuano. Um, and uh, these are the sources that I found. So the first one is a Facebook page called Philippine Languages, and there are actually Cebuano, really good Cebuano phrases and words there that you can learn. I highly recommend it, but you'll also find out other Philippine languages there too, aside from Cebuano. You can also brush up on your Cebuano reading skills by going on Wikipedia and reading articles that are written in the Cebuano language. So, yes, Wikipedia is written in the Cebuano language. I'm not a big fan of Wikipedia, but this is a really good way of reading in Cebuano um, by changing the language to Cebuano and reading it. I really feel that this is a really good source. Here are two really good sources too from the Defense Language Institute in Monterey Bay, California. Um, the Defense Language Institute is from the Department of Defense, the United States Department of Defense. They're pretty much a facility that trains military service members and civilians to foreign languages, and these are two great websites. It might not work for you. It might work. If it does work for you, it's really, really, really invaluable. Like, I highly recommend this. Out of all the Cebuano learning resources, this is something I really recommend. Um, so you can pause this video and type down the links here. So that's HS, so Hotel Sierra 2, DLIFLC, right? So that's Delta Lima India Foxtrot Lima Charlie.edu/Cebuano HTML, right? .html, obviously, because it's an HTML file. And again, down here is the same thing. So field support dot same thing again / that's product list dot Alpha Sierra Papa X-ray question mark, right? And we have Victor equals Lima Sierra Kilo. Okay, so again, this is your links. And then the last one I have is just my saved playlist. I constantly find like Cebuano, other people that are teaching Cebuano, and some of them have really good content. Some of them have like terrible content, but the ones that I do find that have good content, I put them in my saved playlist. So yeah, check it out.